Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, we are back at the Atlanta airport, and today we're flying out to Nevada. I got a call from a gentleman that has a 1984 300D, and I think it has 69,000 miles on it. And he sent me some pictures of the car. It looks extremely nice. This guy was the caretaker of an elderly family in Nevada, and they told him when they passed away he could have the car. And of course he took the car and called me and asked me if I wanted to buy it. So we're flying out to take a look at it, and I will see you in a few minutes in Nevada. All right guys, here we are. We just pulled into a neighborhood in Las Vegas, and right up here, and here's Alexander. This is the owner of the vehicle, and I've been talking with Alexander. We'll get the story about the car from him shortly, but let's step out here and see the vehicle. Okay guys, Alexander is heading in. He's going to open the garage for us, and we will check this car out. Okay, looks like they got a bug over here, and I see they have some sheets over the Mercedes.
It's my own blankets. See, I gave it to Mercedes.
Wow, look at this thing. Holy cow. Now is this silver blue, Alexander? Or is this diamond blue?
Diamond blue, I would say. This is diamond blue.
Alexander, nice to meet you.
Hey, good to meet you, John. Finally have a chance to meet you after being a great follower of your videos.
Yes, Alexander's been watching the YouTube videos for years. And tell us the story about this car, Alexander.
So a little bit. Shortly, I was neighbor to this old couple that I occasionally helped and, you know, cleaning or whatever, my dear people, and I wanted to buy a car for a long time. Apparently they didn't want to sell it. They were so emotional to it, and unfortunately last year the gentleman passed away, and my lady didn't want to keep the car, and finally...
So these were your neighbors?
Yes.
Okay, so they lived right down the street here.
No, that was in the other community that we had the house.
Okay,
right,
where you used to live.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So finally she said, yes, go ahead, give it to you. Then I purchased it. I had two others. I meant to give this car to my wife, and we have different plans now. That's why I called John.
Sure. Well, let's take a look. Let me step over here and get a shot of this thing.
Sure, absolutely.
Wow, pretty obvious this thing has been stored in the garage its entire life. See if I can squeeze around over here.
Yeah, let me hold you. It's a little tight.
Oh yeah, that is beautiful original condition. Yeah, that's the original AC manifold insulation. Normally this is all deteriorated and fallen off the car, and it's still intact here. Yeah. And of course we have a little Nevada dust.
You have a little dust.
Yeah.
I was thinking, like, once you wash it or something.
Oh, it'll be beautiful once I cleaned it up. It's already beautiful. I can see it's obviously being maintained. There's a new hood pad on there. And this is a 1984, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow, this is amazing. Wow, look at the chrome on the bumper up here. And it's got the original Bosch headlight bezels.
Yep.
Yeah, super nice. Let's go take a look on the inside.
Sure.
Yeah, look, that's the original windshield sticker. Guys, this is a time capsule. Pretty unbelievable. Let's take a look on the inside here. Wow. Holy cow. It smells brand new in here. That's wild. Look at these seats. Guys, this is like something you would find in the Mercedes Museum in Stuttgart. It's like a preserved in time capsule. What's the mileage? Yeah, 69,000 miles. Holy cow. Look at that blue dash. It's mint. Let me look up here. Oh, look at that. No cracks. Man, the original elderly couple that had this, well, I guess they purchased it when they were not elderly, but it is obvious that this was the gentleman's baby. Holy cow. Yeah, this is an absolute time capsule. Look at the moldings. Those plastic moldings around the doors. You know, normally those are all wrinkled. This is what it looks like. This is what a car looks like that has always lived in the garage and never been parked outside. Look how bright the windlace is. See, there's zero fading on here. The B-pillar piping. Let's go look around on the, that wood is remarkable. And let's just see if there's any goodies here in the glove box. Yeah, it looks like there's some insurance. Oh, and that's just registration insurance. We'll put that up there. This is what I'm looking for. That's yeah, all the original books and manuals. Looks like the original owner had some genuine Mercedes touch-up paint. And let's see what we got in here. Oh, look at that. There's the original data plate. Let's see. From the original owner. Okay. Looks like it was out of California. Yeah, Diamond Bar, California. That's pretty cool. That's where the car was purchased. And let's see, owner's manual, maintenance booklet. Let's see if we can identify anything in here. Oh, there we go. Diamond Bar, California, Wood Hill. Sorry, yep. Owner, RC. There's the original owner right there. Back in 1985. So this is a 84. So this is a California car, you guys, which would be expected. We're in Nevada. And yep, there's some original stamping, Mercedes. Yep. Yeah, West Covina, California. There's the regular maintenance and service stampings. That's pretty cool. All the stuff is in here. Beautiful. That's what we want. That is remarkable. Let's go take a peek from the driver's side and look in the trunk back here. Oh my God, look, there's the original build sticker. So guys, this is the sticker from the assembly line where they would put all the codes on here that told the assembly line workers what features to install in the car. I'm gonna just lay that there. That's amazing. It's just laying right back here. Yeah, that is that's the original tire. There's the toolkit. Yeah, that's the original bunt. I don't think that's ever been out of the car. Pretty cool. Let's go take a peek over around the driver's side, and then we're going to take this out for a spin around the block. All right, guys, we're going to take it for a little test drive here. We got our glow plug light. Fires right up. Got excellent oil pressure. Beautiful. And again, look at that amazing blue dash. All right, so I'm going to stop recording for a minute. I'm going to just take it out and do a test drive, you know, make sure the transmission shifts through all the gears. And so we'll be back in a second. Guys, we're just coming back from the test drive. I didn't want to, you know, hold the camera while I'm driving someone else's car. But we're back into the neighborhood now, and man, this thing drives great. It feels excellent. It is a real 69,000 mile 300D. I would say, you know, preservation class car. This is definitely the real thing. You knew what you had, huh?
Absolutely, John. That's why I called you.
This is an amazing vehicle. So guys, me and Alexander are gonna go inside and settle up, and I will see you back in Atlanta. There'll be several videos on this car. You know, we'll completely go through everything like you see with all the other cars. So hope you enjoyed this video of meeting Alexander and picking up the car, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you guys. Call John if you don't know who to.
I mean, like this anywhere else. I know that.
So guys, we Alexander and I just did the bill of sale and the title, but they have also invited me to eat lunch with them, and check this out. Holy cow, these are pork ribs, salad, and rolls.
Homemade rolls.
And they're both from Serbia, so this is how they do it in Serbia.
And the chef, Slava.
The chef. There we go. Guys,
Thank you, John.
this looks amazing. So guys, I'm gonna pig out here, and then we'll see you back in Atlanta.